Hello, Ranger engineers and architects. I am going to go through how you can download AutoCAD, Inventor, Revit, AutoCAD Mobile, and hopefully we can get some program on each of your computers so that we can get through the next 6-8 weeks, depending on how long we're going to be sticking around through all this. But anyway, you're going to go to the Google. You're going to type in download AutoCAD student version or Autodesk student version. We'll get you all of the options. This window is going to pop up here, and we're going to click on free student downloads from Autodesk. And you're going to get this window. And so if you are advanced engineering or done with all your AutoCAD stuff in Engineering 1, you're going to pick Inventor, Revit for the architecture students, the advanced architecture students, and then AutoCAD for beginning architect students and also Engineering 1. And so if I pick on AutoCAD here, next window pops up. I'm going to need to create an account, and you want to create an account with a non-school email. So don't use your school one. Pick some Gmail or some other account that you have, Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL, whatever you got. Anyway, pick that and create an account. Then you come over here and you will pick your version, which will be 2020. Operating system is whatever operating system your computer has, and then your language obviously is English, I would assume. Also, if you want to go for Mac, click on here, and you can get it for Mac. So if you have a Mac, do the same thing, create an account, pick your version, whatever OS you are using for Mac, and you'll be able to download it there. If you are using a Chromebook, you're going to come down here to Apps, click on Apps, and you're going to go to AutoCAD Mobile App, and it's going to come up with this window. This window is going to tell you right here that this app is free until May 31. So the whole buy thing or trying to pick that doesn't apply to you. You're just going to come up here to the top, pick if you have a Mac device. I would probably not use that. I'd probably use your Chromebook or a Windows Store and download that to your device, and you'll be able to get a mobile app. I haven't used that very much, so I'm not real familiar with it, but it is one way that we apparently can get it on our Chromebooks. And so those are our options for that. So anyway, I also made a Google form. Looks like this guy. I think I did a preview for it here. I'm going to send that out to you guys. I just want to know who's got it and who doesn't. So this will be your Wednesday, April 15 homework to download the program, and also to let me know if you got it, if you had problems. You can write it on the bottom if you have any issues. If you have AutoCAD, which device which program you're using. If you have a device, you can kind of give me all that information in this form. So I'll send that to you via email. I'll put this video in email, and I'll also post it onto my YouTube so you can check that out and try to follow those steps. All right, give it a try, see if that works. Catch you guys later.